Sometimes a visualization will help you use your data to tell a better story. Splunk allows you to visualize your data in many ways. Any search that returns statistical values can be viewed as a chart. Now that we know where our failed logins are coming from, let's investigate further and figure out what accounts are associated with those events. We'll start with the same search terms we previously used to create a report. Expanding the user field in the field sidebar, we'll again use the Quick Reports option to find the accounts most commonly experiencing login failures. This appends the top command to our search, allowing us to visualize the results. Hovering over a segment of a chart will display statistics for the segment. There are many types of visualizations in Splunk Enterprise, so you can find the right chart for your data and format it to best tell your story. The Visualizations tab contains options to select a visualization that best fits our data or customize it using the Format menu. We'll display these results in a pie chart. The top command defaults to display the 20 most common values for a supplied field. 20 looks a little crowded in this visualization, and we want to make sure we're focusing on our most common offenders. So we'll change the number of results returned to 10. There we go, much easier to read. We'll share these results with our colleagues by saving it directly to a dashboard. Expanding the Save As menu, we have the option to save this visualization to a new or existing dashboard. We'll select New Dashboard, then give it a name. We have the option to add a description and can set permissions to allow others to view our dashboard. We'll leave this as private for now while we're still developing it. Splunk offers two different frameworks for building dashboards: Classic Dashboards or Dashboard Studio. We'll touch on the differences a little later, but for now, let's select Classic Dashboards. We give the panel a title and confirm that we want to display our results as a visualization and not a statistics chart. Under Advanced Panel Settings, we see that this panel is powered by the inline search we just ran, and that drill down is not enabled for this dashboard panel. Drill down behavior can be configured to make your dashboards interactive, allowing users to explore data beyond just what they see in the default dashboard view. This setting can be modified in the dashboard editor once the dashboard has been created. Our settings look good, so we save and view the dashboard. Let's add some more panels to our dashboard to tell a more comprehensive story. Returning to the new search page, we'll again search for the terms we used to visualize our most common users experiencing login failures. Let's look at events by time, so that we can see if there are any concerning spikes in login attempts. While failures are our primary concern, a spike in accepted login attempts can also hint at a potential security incident. So we'll delete the failed password requirement to return all events related to login activity. In the field sidebar, we expand the Action field, where we can confirm we're now seeing results from both failures and successes. Selecting the Top Values by Time Quick Report appends the time chart command to our search, so we can visualize our data as a line chart, allowing us to quickly see login trends over time. This looks good, but before we save it to our dashboard, we'll make a couple of visual modifications. Options in the Format menu will differ based on the visualization type. For example, if we change this visualization to a column chart, in the General tab, we see that we have options to change stack mode, offering different ways of thinking about how our failed and successful logins compare to one another. For our line chart visualization, we have some general settings, format options for the X and Y axis, a chart overlay option if we want to compare values from a different field, and options for our legend. We'll change the legend's position to move it to the left side of the visualization. We'll also choose to display values for our minimum and maximum data points. Now we'll save this panel to our existing dashboard and view our progress. Looking good! Additional panels can be added to our dashboard by selecting Edit, then Add Panel. In the Add Panel window, we have options to create a new visualization from scratch without returning to the search window. Add a panel from a report, clone a panel from another dashboard, or add a pre-built panel. Let's add a panel containing our cluster map visualization inside the report we previously created. We'll select New from Report, then select the report's title. A preview of the visualization is displayed, along with the details of the report and the underlying search that powers it. When we select Add to Dashboard, the panel is added to the bottom of the dashboard. Our dashboard is starting to tell a story, but could use some visual optimization. We'll move our cluster map displaying failed login attempts next to the pie chart displaying attempts by user, and change its name to be a little more human-readable. While in edit mode, we also have options to see and edit the XML source for our dashboard, add inputs, and select a dark theme for our dashboard. We also have tools on each panel allowing us to edit searches, change visualizations, and modify visualization formats, along with other actions. In the drill down editor, we can configure behavior when users interact with a visualization, linking to search, another dashboard, a report, custom URL, or manage tokens for more advanced drill down capability. Let's link this visualization back to its search, save the dashboard, and refresh the dashboard to ensure that the changes have been applied. Now when we select a slice of our pie chart, a search window opens that contains the events related to that user, with the selected user already populated in the search. And, of course, we can access all of our dashboards by selecting the Dashboards tab.